Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to solve Leetcode Problem 167, 2-sum 2. So this is a follow-up to the original 2-sum problem. If you haven't tried solving that one already, I highly recommend going and doing that before watching this video. Okay, so the only difference between this problem and the original 2-sum problem is that we can assume our input array is in sorted order. So the problem statement is pretty much the same. Given an array of integers numbers that's already sorted in non-decreasing order, find two numbers such that they add up to a specific target number. We'll end up returning the indices where we find those two numbers. The problem statement also says that our solution must use only constant extra space. So let's take a look at a quick example. In this example, we're given a list of numbers in ascending order, and we need to find two numbers that add up to our target of 10. If you remember from my other video about the original 2-sum problem, we were able to find an efficient solution using a hash table. When we iterated through this list of numbers, we would store the value of the target minus the current number in our data structure so that when we came across that number in our list, we would know that we found a match. However, this problem wants us to find a solution using constant extra space, so we can't use a hash table. However, because the list is in sorted order, that makes things a little easier for us. So we know that this is the smallest number and this is the largest number in our list of numbers. The sum of those two numbers is too large. We know that we can't compare 12 with any other number in this list because 12 plus the smallest number is already too large. Therefore, 12 plus any other number is still going to be too large. So we can stop looking at the number 12 and move on to 11. But 11 plus 1 is also too large. So we do the same process and we stop looking at 11 and move to the next largest number. Now we see that 1 plus 8 is less than 10. Therefore, 1 cannot possibly be a solution. We've already compared 1 with the biggest numbers in this list, and they did not add up to the target number. So we don't have to look at 1, and we can move on to the number 3. 3 plus 8 is too large, and when a number is too large, we move this pointer over. And when a number is too small, we move this pointer until we find two numbers that add up to our target number. So effectively, we're able to find the solution using two pointers, a left pointer and a right pointer, moving in opposite directions. This solution means that we don't need to use any extra space aside from storing the indices of the pointers. So let's flip back over to Leetcode and try coding up a solution. So the first thing we'll do is instantiate our left and right pointers, where the left pointer will be equal to the first index and the right pointer will be equal to the last index in the list. While the left pointer is less than the right pointer, if the value at our left pointer plus the value at our right pointer is equal to our target, we've found the solution. And the problem statement wants us to return the values of those indices plus 1. Otherwise, we can check if the value at the left pointer and the right pointer is too large. If that's the case, we can decrement our right pointer. Otherwise, we can assume that it's too small and we should increment our left pointer. And because the problem statement indicated that there should be exactly one solution, we can stop here. Let's submit this and see how we did. And it looks like we did pretty well. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And I'll be back next week with more Leetcode solutions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.